Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds, REDMI Buds for Lite. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power. And right here at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable to this port. And right here we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also we have the second option is to use your phone, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port on your charging case. And again we can see this LED light, so it's also charged. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!